Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be unboxing the Universal Yum Box. Actually, this is the Super Yum Box. It is November. The box itself looks kind of a little weak. You can tell it's been, it has some tear for sure. Right here also. Hopefully everything inside is good. Oh, sorry. Okay. Happy holidays. I think I got the December holidays box. Happy holidays. Okay. This boxes usually have something like this. Yum score card. Oh, let's see if I like it. Okay, I'll use this for the review. Nice. Far more fun in Yums. Okay, cool. Not bad. That's actually handy. See which one you like or not. Some stickers. That's nice. Dog emojis. Not bad. I can put some of these on my luggage. Here is, I got the Seasons Greetings box, like I said before. Just give you some information right now around the world. Oh, here's the treats that I have. Let's get started. Salted egg yolk popcorn, spicy mustard flavored chips, strawberry trifle flavored bonbons, popcorn flavored truffles. I need to read it. Apple pie cookies, mini raspberry linzer cake, nutty yogurt flavored nougat bar, kava flavored potato chips. It's kava, it says kava. I don't know. Jewel Most butterscotch gummies. Ooh. Dark chocolate gingerbread bites. Frosted cinnamon stars. Okay. Tomato oregano bruschetta bites. Assorted baklava. Chocolate hazelnut truffles. Chocolate covered dates. Lychee drink with coconut jelly. Okay. Oh, here it says where they're from. Jordan, Italy. Oh, sweet. A lot of info. You can definitely read more about the snacks, and it has the nutritional values, right, left game. Not bad. Right here, you can see. It has all the calories, nutritional facts. Okay. That's really good. It's a date, or maybe not. Pomegranate jelly candy. I don't know. Is this maybe extra? Okay. Popcorn, salted egg yolk. Ooh. Okay. Nice. This is the oregano and tomato crunchy thingies. Okay. It's sealed. Nice. And this is in Italian, and they put like an English label. That's good. Nice. Oh. Sparkling wine flavored potato chips. Nice. Okay. Truffles. Popcorn. Oh. Apple pie cookie bites. Nice. Potato chips, spicy mustard. I like mustard okay, but not that much. We'll see about these. Cinnamon cookies. Nice. Okay, let's continue. Sorry, my dog was barking. Greek yogurt nut bar. Nice. And some choco. This thingies, I said before. 3 of those. Pomegranate candies. The lychee drink. There's coconut in there, I guess. Dark chocolate. Assorted baklava. I've never actually had any of these. Lazy cake. Strawberry truffle. And the gummies. That's a big bag of gummies. Actually, 4 of the little truffles. Let's put them all together. This was $45. You get a lot for $45. A lot of snacks. Actually, you get quite a bit. These candies, snacks, cookies, chips. I don't know what this is. I don't think I ever had it. Hopefully it's good. Dark chocolate. I know dark chocolate. I'm not dumb. The yogurt bar. And the drink. For $45, pretty good. Pretty good assortment. You get extra material. Read more about the snacks and where they're from. 1, 2, 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 things. Yeah. I got this is the holiday box. Pretty good for $45. You get a lot of various snacks and foods. Not bad. I'll keep trying the Yum box. Maybe from different other countries. This one's a holiday, so it has from different countries. But everything is sealed. Everything's labeled. Not bad. Thanks for watching.